Right, if you are on this video, it is because you are interested in getting some extra practice in the challenge sense. You feel like you've got the gist of it, but you want to be extra sure that you can really apply it to questions that are kind of going to look like what you see on your SOL. So let's get started. Make sure you have a whiteboard in front of you so you'll be able to complete the problems on your own. This is an example of a question that you'll see on Power Test or on the SOL. It says, which is not equivalent to 22? So what your job is you actually have to do double the work. I know it's the worst, but your job is to solve this problem and this problem to see if they're equal to 22. And you are going to select the one that is not equivalent to 22. So let's get started on solving the first one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write out my PEMDAS. Now, you should pause the video now. You got to solve this problem and this problem, and I want you to see which one is not equal to 22. Pause now. All right, if you are playing the video, that means you have solved both of these two problems. It's okay if you didn't get all the way through, just as long as you got as far as you could, so that way you can follow along with the work that's in front of you with what I'm going to show you. Start from the beginning. I'm going to start over here on the left. Parentheses, yep, right here. 15 minus 5 is 10. You can keep the parentheses if you want. You don't have to, because I've got that plus sign there to kind of divide. All right. Do I have any more parentheses? No. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes, I just have multiplication. I did one caret. I've got a reset. There's no more multiplication or division, but I do have addition and subtraction. I have both, actually. So addition and subtraction are family members. Whoever comes in line first gets to go first. So subtraction's the lucky winner. So the answer to this problem is 15. So I already have an idea. I could say, check, this is the answer. It's not equal to 22. Next. It's totally fine. But I am going to solve the other one also. One, so I could extra practice on order of operations. And two, excuse me, so I could be extra positive, because if this was my SOL, I want to be extra sure that I'm getting the correct answer. So I'm going to reset this. So I'm going to write out my PEMDAS. And I'll solve this one also. I'm going to start with the parentheses. 15 minus 5 is 10. I got to reset, bring everything down. Do I have any more parentheses? No. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes, I have both, actually. So I know that they're family members. Who comes first in line? Reset. Got addition versus division. Division surely, definitely comes before addition. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Looky there. 22. So here's where you got to double check and be extra careful, which is not equivalent to 22. This one would be your correct answer. All right, let's take a look at this one. I am obsessed with these types of questions because they are a lot less work, a lot less work than the last one we did. It says, when simplifying the following using the order of operations, which operations should be performed first? And I'm putting a box around that word first because you will see some questions that are asking you which operation should be performed second, which one should be third. So really make sure you're paying attention to that. So here are your answer choices. Which one do you do first? Are there parentheses? No. Are there exponents? No. Is there multiplication or division? Yes, there's both. So pause the video if you need time to think, and then I will share the correct answer with you. Pause now. All right, you pause, you thought, you think it's A, B, C, or D. I have both multiplication and division because they're family members. I would do division first, and looky there. That's it. That's literally it. A is your answer. All right, I'm going to skip on down to this one. This is our last one we're going to do together. It says identify the expressions that are equivalent to 11. These are the worst, but you got to do it. Literally, you have to solve all 4. Got to solve each one all the way through. And then you have to choose the ones that end up being equal to 11. So go ahead and pause the video now and solve all 4 of them on your own. The answers are these 2 on the left. Those 2 are equal to 11. The 2 on the right are not equal to 11. If you felt stuck, if you got a different answer, go back and check your work. If you really cannot figure it out, then you can ask a friend for help. That's all I got for you guys. If you really are obsessed with PEMDAS, if you want extra practice, if you want more challenge, I did put some really cool order of operation logic puzzles in the logic puzzle tub that's on top of the iPad cart if you want to take a peek in there. Otherwise, good job.